Downloading and setting up the Amazon Alexa app. Now that you have plugged in your Amazon Echo, you will need to download the Amazon Alexa app. Enter Google Play on an Android phone or the App Store on an iPhone and search for Alexa. It should be found pretty quickly. When you find it, tap Install for the download and installation process to begin. Once it has installed, tap Open. You will be presented with a sign-in screen. You will first need to create a new Amazon account. Tap the Create a New Amazon Account button. Here you will be asked to enter your name, your email address, and to create a password. Your password must be at least 6 characters long. Once you're done, tap Create your Amazon account. Check your email account. You should have an email from Amazon. In this email, you will find a 6-digit verification code. Back on your phone, type in the verification code into the box provided and tap Verify. You will now be shown the Terms of Use screen. If you're satisfied, tap Continue. Next, you will be given 2 options: setting up an Amazon Echo or setting up Alexa app. Tap Setting up Alexa app. On this screen, tap on your name and tell the Alexa app who you are. Here you will be asked to either enter your name or confirm your name. When you're sure it's correct, tap on Continue. Here you can give the app permission to access your phone's contacts. This is so that you can use all of Alexa's calling features. If you agree to give permission, tap Allow. You may see this message. To confirm you're happy to give Alexa access to your contacts, tap Allow. If you want people to be able to contact you through Alexa, this is where you let the app know your mobile number. Enter your mobile number in the space provided. When you're done, tap Continue. You will now need to enter a verification code. Amazon should have sent it to you through a text message. You can leave the Alexa app and check your text messages. You should see one from Amazon. Inside should be your verification code. Make note of the verification code and return to the Alexa app. You can now enter the verification code in the space provided. When you're done, tap Continue. The next few screens will show a description of what each button does. Feel free to read and click Next for each one. In this tutorial, we will fast forward through them. Once you've read them, tap Done. You should now see this welcome message. Tap the Home button at the bottom of the app to go to the home screen. You have now successfully set up the Alexa app, and we will now need to add our Amazon Echo device.